You know that sound? Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan! Who? What? Where? Any idea? That's a noun, okay? Un, une, mon, ma. French words always come with a partner. So let's master nouns and articles the easy way. So this time po is our grammar module 3.0. Okay, 3.0. Le nom est l'article. Okay? The noun and the article. Ano ang isang pangalan? Qu'est-ce qu'un nom? What is a noun? Okay? Un nom, c'est un mot qui désigne une personne, un animal, une chose, un lieu et une idée. Tagalog, ang pangalan ng tao, bagay, hayop, o pangyayari. Still remember this? When we were in school, a noun names a person, animal, things, place, or an idea. Okay, so we have proper noun and common noun. Nom propre, nom propre, et le nom commun. Okay, in French. Okay, we'll continue that later. Still remember this? Okay, let's continue. Okay, for the noun, we have the proper noun, which is called nom propre. A common noun is nom commun. So what are these nom propres? Nom propre les noms propres are the noms particuliers d'une personne, d'une chose o d'un lieu. Ito po yung mga pangalan ng tao, bagay, o lieu, yung lugar. Example, we have Paris. Paris is a nom propre and it should start with capital letter. Yung let majuscule. Okay? Yung let majuscule. So, Paris. Paris, on prononce pas le S. Paris, et c'est un nom propre because it's a name of a place. Paris est une grande ville. Okay? Paris is a big city. Next, another nom propre, of course, the country, France. Okay? We pronounce it as France. N is France. It's not France. Okay? France in French, but France in English. Okay? La France est belle. La France est belle. France is beautiful. Yes, it is. Magandaan po ang Pransya. Come and visit Paris. Okay. So, nom propre. Okay? Nom propre yan. Proper noun. Okay? Got it? Okay. Nom propre. Next, the nom commun. Nom commun is the common noun. Okay? These are the names of a person, a place, or thing, okay, or animals. Like, for example, une ville. Une ville. Une ville is a city. We don't know what's the name of a city. It's isang lungsod, okay? C'est une ville. Isang lungsod, it's a city. Then we have another nom commun. We have un enfant. Un enfant is a bata, okay? Isang bata. A child. Okay, example, un enfant joue. A child plays. Okay, naglalaro ang isang bata. But we do not know ano siya. Okay, his or her name. So, nom commun, une ville. Et nom commun, another nom commun, un enfant. Okay, get it? Nom propre et nom commun. The nom commun, it starts with small letter. Minuscule. Small letter is minuscule. Une lettre minuscule. Okay? While the common noun or nom propre, it starts with a majuscule or capital letter. Get it? Merci. Okay, let's have more examples on the nom commun. Common noun. Okay? We have animals, persons, things, and places. Exemple. Un chat. Un chien. Okay? A cat. Next. Un chien. Un chien. A dog. Une fille. Une fille. A girl. Regardez, une fille because it's a girl. Féminin. Un, it's masculine. Okay? So these are articles. Okay? Un chat, un chien. Une fille, une fille. Un ami, un ami. Un garçon, un garçon. Un livre, Un livre, the book. Une table, feminine table, no? Une table. L'eau, l'eau, l'eau is water. Une école, et une maison. Une maison. Le S will become un Z, OK? Répétez s'il vous plaît. Un chat. Un chien. Une fille. Un ami. Un garçon. Un livre. Une table. Loup. Une école. Et une maison. Got them all? Thank you. Merci. So I prepared another table for the masculine. Masculine is masculine and femina is feminine, babae, no? So masculine, an élève, a student, a boy, okay? Et femina, une élève, okay? Babae yun, okay? Estudyante na babae, okay? But look at them. Élève, élève. It changes only with an article. Un, c'est masculin, et une, c'est féminin, babae, okay? Feminine. Next, we have un stagiaire. Un stagiaire, an intern, a man, okay? And then we have une stagiaire. It's the same, but that is a woman, an intern, a woman, okay? It's the same. Next, we have un livreur. Un livreur is a man, na bookseller. And une libraire is a woman who is also a bookseller. So it doesn't change the name, le nom, okay? It's just the same, le même chose, okay? Même is the same. Next, we have un pianiste. Un pianiste, okay? Pianista, un pianiste. Et une pianiste, it's a woman, na pianiste, okay? It's just the same. Then we have un photographe. Un photographe. Okay? Photographeur na lalaki, a man. And we have une photographe. Une photographe. That's a photographer, a woman who is a photographer. Okay? It's just the same. Next, architect. An architect. Fais un liaison. Un architect. Okay? A man who is an architect. And we have une architecte, a woman who is an architect. Get them all? So, un élève, une élève. Un stagiaire, une stagiaire. Ça change pas. It doesn't change. It's just the same. Un livreur, une livreur. Un pianiste, une pianiste. Un photographe, une photographe. Et un architecte et une architecte. Get them all? Okay, wag pong kalimutan yan. It's just the same, okay? The verb, it's not the verb. The nom, the name is just the same. Only the article change. Yung article un c'est parce que c'est un, c'est masculin. Et une, c'est féminin. Get them all? Okay, please don't forget then. Don't forget din po akong i-subscribe, i-like, please. At mag-comment po if you need something else. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. À demain tout le monde. Ou peut-être à demain. Ou à bientôt. Au revoir.